Like you're always out of energy, then you should try this Cells, 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 new mitochondria. It is a replacement for all of your worn out mitochondria, and it gives you an opportunity to give your mitochondria a break to reproduce and recover. You just let the mitochondria tablet dissolve in your tongue and be amazed as you will feel like you have more energy than ever before. Lei, are you feeling that certain parts of your cell just aren't cutting it? Then this is your lucky day. Our product will help with that. The plasma booster gives any organelle, vesicle, or anything else that enters each cell a small amount of ATP or energy. This causes the organelle that receives the ATP to work harder than ever. The way that this works is that a chemical reaction occurs in each of the recipient organelles that makes the ATP soak into the organelle and make their atoms jump into overdrive, causing them to work nearly 3 times faster. This is a great deal for a cell such as a stomach cell, which needs to reproduce fast to keep stomach acid out of the rest of your body. This product is put under an individual's nose. It could cause delusions of being a stupidus adolescentus. Please avoid doing so. Product for all those tired Golgi bodies in your cells. Presenting the all-new Golgi Sorter. It is a series of pills or creams that will increase the packaging rate and improve the sorting done in the Golgi apparatus. It allows the vesicles to move around the cell faster and more efficiently. To apply it is easy. Just take the pills with any liquid and see the wonders happen. If you like that, then you can also get the Golgi Sorter cream. It is used by just applying to any part of your body that you feel your cells need help in. Call 1-800-112-GOLGI for your Golgi Sorter pills or cream today. Is the cytoplasm the thorn in your cell's side? Does it just not help enough with the chemical reactions it produces? We have a solution, the cytoplasma solution. It's made up of chemicals that help make cytoplasm, and it has enzymes in it that will help aid the cytoplasm in its chemical reactions. It can cause irregular body temperatures if used for weeks on end, so please avoid doing so. The vesicles are one of the most important organelles, so why don't we treat them with the respect they deserve for all the things they do? They move around on the microfilaments, delivering chemicals to all the organelles. But we can help them even more by letting them move around freely, which our vehicles can do. Our vehicles move around freely and bring beneficial chemicals to other organelles without having to use the microfilaments. They can also be dissolved into the cytoplasm as an emergency form of energy.
Support of the cell should have support for itself, right? The superskeleton is the solution to this. It supports the cytoskeleton and strengthens it when it is applied. The medication is designed to help support the parts of your body that fail the most quickly, such as the spine, thighs, and it can even help fix eyesight. They need to be applied for 31 days for the best results. The way this works is because the cytoskeleton is given a break, it is allowed to rest and regenerate itself to become even stronger. It will be nearly 200% of what it used to be. If this medication causes decay in your ability to walk, jump, or see well, then contact us for support medication to reverse the effects.
Rambosomes have no power over whether or not the taker of rambosomes becomes a gunman. The ribosomes are the best way to get your proteins into your cell, but what if we told you that they could be improved upon? The rambosomes will help not only the amount of protein that you get from each ribosome, but it will also aid the nucleolus in the production of ribosomes. They are a must for anyone who needs a large amount of protein in their bodies.
Chloroplasts are the energy makers of a plant. They perform photosynthesis to make glucose for the mitochondria. The way to keep your plants from dying in the winter is to let them make energy all year round. This is where our greenhouse gas comes into play. The greenhouse gas is not harmful to the environment or anything else. as it does nothing but good. It protects all plants within a greenhouse from any kind of harmful ailment such as frostburn. It also improves the rate at which chloroplasts do photosynthesis and let the leaves take in more sunlight for photosynthesis.
Vacuoles are important for the plant, but they are often forgotten in the animal cell. Our company, Cells, has come up with a way to help everyone remember the vacuole. The vacuole enhancer will help make the vacuoles in your cells bigger and able to store more chemicals and liquids. This will help you stay hydrated as you'll be able to store more water in your cells. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is useful for the distribution of ribosomes outside of the cell. But what happens if the nucleolus is damaged in any way? The rough repair module is the key solution to this if anything ever happens to your cells. The rough repair module isolates the area with the problem, uses energy from the mitochondria and enzymes from the cytoplasm to fix it, then continues to have time to be the halfway point for the ribosomes in between the nucleolus and the Golgi body.
The cell wall is very similar to the cytoskeleton, and it also provides much more for the cell. The all-new cell fortifications are a set of useful products to help the cell wall perform its job to the best of its abilities. The products include an improved support system for the cell that gives the plant more rigidity and an internal sorting system for substances entering the cell.